What's going on, guys? This is Rohin. You are watching All About Tech, and in this video I'm going to review a garbage, the GT08 clone. So let's start the video. Guys, if you bought this, then you'll get hurted by listening that this is a complete fake. It doesn't have a single thing original. Yes. So this is a user manual which I got in the Chinese, and the next thing which I'm having is the USB, the poor quality of USB. Yes, it is. So guys, this is not a poor smartwatch, it's a very poor smartwatch. Here you can see the quality of USB is very poor, the cheap quality of USB, which you can easily bought this in under 10 or 15 rupees. So guys, this is what here you can see. The battery is also fake. The battery percentage, it doesn't shows any battery percentage, so it automatically shut down when it doesn't have a battery. And guys, it doesn't vibrate, you can't change wallpapers, you can't play music after inserting an SD card because it doesn't take an SD cards have. And you can't even use WhatsApp after installing an SIM card, an SD card, and an SD card. So guys, here you can see. Let me just show you the one thing which is a very different thing. Just wait for 7 seconds. Here you can see it already turns itself, and other ones are just showing like just they shake and they'll tell that yes it is working, but no guys, it doesn't work. So guys, this is the complete review of this shit of the piece of garbage, and they always show you in the cinematic motion. So you buy this because they have an affiliate link, but guys, don't buy this. And you can also get the Bluetooth if you ordered with the free Bluetooth. So it is also a complete garbage. Here you can see this is the Bluetooth, like a hearing machine, which is a very good quality. I can say that this is a nice thing. I guess you are paying 1500 or 1000 rupees for this Bluetooth, and you'll got the wire. So guys, it don't have any charge as well, and this is the USB which doesn't have any break or crack in it. And we'll got the user manual which is in complete Chinese, and there is no written the company name over there. And the box, which is also a good quality plastic. And so this is what the complete garbage you buy under 1500 or 1400 rupees. So guys, if you bought this, then you need to live with that, or you'll throw this. So guys, this is what. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.